Welcome to the future of home security, where technology meets simplicity. Today we'll explore innovative home defense systems that not only protect you, but also bring peace of mind without draining your wallet. From AI-powered cameras to smart deterrents, these gadgets are changing the game for home security. Let's dive into the world of modern security tech and see how you can level up your home protection. Deep Sentinel. First on our list is Deep Sentinel, a cutting-edge security system that combines artificial intelligence with human intervention. Traditional AI cameras often lack real-time responsiveness, while hiring a security guard to watch over your home 24/7 can be expensive. Deep Sentinel solves both problems by using AI to detect suspicious behavior and then instantly notifying a human operator. The operator can communicate directly with the intruder through a speaker system, scaring them away before any damage is done. If the situation escalates, they can even call the authorities. This system is incredibly fast. It can thwart an attempted robbery or even a kidnapping in under 30 seconds. Plus, installation is a breeze. Just mount the cameras, connect them to the wireless hub, and configure everything through an easy-to-use app. In less than 30 minutes, your home can be protected with professional-grade security. APS Microguard. Next, let's look at APS Microguard, a versatile range of sensors designed to protect even the largest areas. Whether you're securing a commercial property or a large backyard, APS's suite of sensors has you covered. Their latest additions include infrared and dual tech sensors such as the MW110, an infrared photoelectric sensor that detects movement up to 110 meters away. Rain, fog, or frost won't interfere with its accuracy, making it perfect for outdoor surveillance. Then there's the MW310, a microwave sensor that creates an invisible wall of protection, ideal for smaller, more sensitive zones. It can detect temperature changes and movement, monitoring areas up to 11 meters wide. No matter the environment, APS has a solution that adapts to your needs. Yard Enforcer. Ever dreamed of the perfect lawn, only to have it ruined by neighborhood pets and wildlife? With the Yard Enforcer, those pesky intruders are no match. This clever device uses an infrared sensor to detect movement, and then shoots a quick burst of water to scare off unwanted visitors. The system covers up to 11 meters and uses only 2 cups of water per spray, making it an eco-friendly option. It's powered by 4 AA batteries, which last through an impressive 7,500 on-off cycles. You can even program the sprinkler to work during specific times of the day, daytime, nighttime, or 24/7. Best of all, the Yard Enforcer isn't just for keeping animals out. It can also be used as a fully functional lawn watering system. All of this for just $85. Pepper spray systems by Less Lethal Concepts. For a more direct approach, check out Less Lethal Concepts and their pepper spray systems. These hidden defenses are placed in spots intruders won't expect, like gate posts or car doors. When triggered, they release a powerful blast of capsicum resin, leaving bad guys coughing, crying, and completely disoriented. Pepper spray isn't just for personal defense anymore. It's now part of high-tech home security. This system is particularly effective because it's non-lethal yet incapacitating. It can even work on aggressive animals, adding an extra layer of protection. Whether it's human or canine intruders, they'll be in for a surprise when they trigger this hidden defense. Paintball, Landmine, and Enimine. Speaking of surprises, how about a minefield? The PBM-22 Paintball Landmine is a home defense system that's sure to catch intruders off guard. When triggered, it releases 60 paintballs covering an area of about 14 square meters. This legal and non-lethal solution provides a powerful deterrent that's both unexpected and effective. For those who want even more coverage, the Enimine adds a twist. It detects movement up to 5 meters away and jumps into the air before releasing its paintball, increasing the range of coverage. It's an imaginative way to defend your property, and at just $167 for the PBM-22 and $106 for the Enimine, it's a cost-effective option. STARTLE security light burglars thrive in the dark, but the STARTLE security light will stop them in their tracks. This ultra-bright motion-activated light blasts intruders with 9,600 lumens of blinding brightness. But it's not just a powerful deterrent, it's energy efficient, using 75% less power than traditional lights. It's also tough enough to handle small caliber bullets, so you know it's built to last. At $299, the STARTLE security light gives you a smart, energy efficient solution to light up your yard and send intruders running. ViewProtect offers an invisible shield for your windows. Made from Lexan polycarbonate, the same material used for police shields and aircraft, this thin, transparent film can withstand attacks from hammers, machetes, and even pickaxes. It adds an extra layer of protection without altering the appearance of your home. But ViewProtect doesn't just stop there. It also has slots on the edges for integrating alarm system wires, making it a dual-purpose barrier that's both tough and smart. A set of 6 sheets, each a meter long, will cost you around $95, an affordable investment for such a strong defense. West Country Tech Intercom Gate System. West Country Tech has combined convenience and security with their intercom gate system. Perfect for homes with large properties, this system features a high-quality camera and intercom that allows you to see and speak with visitors at your gate. What's more, you can control the gate from anywhere in the world using your phone. Whether you're home or halfway around the globe, you'll have full control over who enters your property, giving you both peace of mind and ease of use. It's an ideal solution for rural properties or anyone who needs an extra layer of access control. Certainly, let's continue the script with even more engaging details, highlighting some additional features of these security systems and adding closing thoughts. ZeroVision. Imagine breaking into a house, and before you know it, the entire place is filled with thick, disorienting fog. That's exactly what the ZeroVision system does. In just 45 seconds, this system fills a room with a dense, harmless fog that blocks all visibility. It's safe for people and pets, but it'll stop intruders in their tracks, leaving them fumbling in the dark. They won't even be able to find the door to escape. The ZeroVision system is completely wireless and can cover up to 100 square meters, making it ideal for large rooms or even entire homes. And don't worry, if you're just getting a late night snack, the system's integrated motion detectors and cameras will ensure it's not accidentally triggered. If the situation looks suspicious, an operator will manually activate the fog, and in extreme cases, call in backup from security teams and local authorities. It's a fast, effective way to protect your home from any unwanted guests. Tactical Walls want a bit of Hollywood-style security. Tactical Walls bring spy movie-inspired hidden compartments to your home, offering a clever and discreet way to store valuables, firearms, or defense gear. From clocks with secret compartments to mirrors and even shelves that slide open to reveal hidden stashes, Tactical Walls helps you keep your defenses close at hand without drawing attention. Imagine this: a sleek wall clock with a hidden compartment large enough to fit a pistol, taser, or knife. Simply press a spot near the number 12 and the compartment opens up. These hidden spots aren't just cool, they're practical, especially when it comes to quick access in emergencies. The clock alone will cost you around $130, but Tactical Walls offers a variety of customizable products to suit your home. Whether it's for self-defense or simply storing valuables, these hidden compartments provide a blend of security and style. Hornet Less Lethal Launcher. If you're looking for a compact, non-lethal way to protect yourself, the Hornet Less Lethal Launcher is a great option. At just 18 centimeters long, this air pistol can easily be concealed or stored in one of Tactical Wall's hidden compartments. But don't let its small size fool you. The Hornet can fire paintballs, rubber balls, and even pepper balls, giving you an effective range of up to 30 meters. It also includes a Picatinny rail, so you can attach tactical lights for improved accuracy in low-light situations. With a magazine that holds 4 rounds, the Hornet is ideal for close-quarter self-defense, offering a reliable, non-lethal option to keep intruders at bay. For $170, this compact air pistol offers peace of mind without the risks associated with more lethal weapons. Face Wildfire Defense. While burglaries are a concern, wildfires are a growing threat, especially in places like California. Face is a system designed to combat this very problem. Created with wildfire-prone areas in mind, Face installs automatic sprinkler heads around your property that spray fire-extinguishing chemicals when triggered by high temperatures or fire detection systems. These sprinklers create a barrier that helps stop the fire from spreading, protecting your home and valuables from being consumed by flames. Face units are also designed to be installed indoors for extra protection. Priced at $99 per unit, this system could be the difference between losing everything in a fire and keeping your home safe. Keyguard Digital XL. Finally, we have the Keyguard Digital XL, a key safe designed to withstand even the most determined burglars. Built to meet police standards, the Keyguard features an 18mm thick steel door and is resistant to sledgehammers, crowbars, drills, and power saws. It's secured by a code that can be 4 to 8 digits long, ensuring that only authorized people can access your spare keys. The safe comes with sturdy mounting bolts to ensure it stays put, making it one of the most secure ways to store your keys outside your home. Whether you're frequently away from home or just want a secure place to keep extra keys, the Keyguard Digital XL is a strong solution for $75.